Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My today's topic is the reactivity series of metals or the activity series of metals, class 10th chemistry. Some metals are chemically very reactive, whereas others are less reactive or unreactive. कुछ मेटल्स जो है जो केमिकली वेरी रिएक्टिव होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ होते हैं जो लेस रिएक्टिव होते हैं. For example, potassium and sodium react very rapidly with cold water, so they are very reactive metals. So potassium and sodium are very reactive metals. Zinc and iron react only with steam, so they are less reactive metals. On the other hand, copper and silver do not react even with steam, so they are quite unreactive metals. On the basis of vigor of reactions of various metals with oxygen, water and acids, as well as displacement reactions, the metals have been arranged in a group or series according to their chemical reactivity. The arrangement of metals in vertical column in the order of decreasing reactivities is called a reactivity series of metals or activity series of metals. In a reactivity series, the most reactive metal is placed at the top, whereas the less reactive metal is placed at the bottom. जो हम मेटल्स को अरेंज करते हैं एक वर्टिकल कॉलम में अकॉर्डिंग टू दियर डिक्रीजिंग रिएक्टिविटीज़, उसको हम कहते हैं रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज ऑफ मेटल्स. इसमें जो मोस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल है वो टॉप पर होता है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा लीस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल यानी जो कम रिएक्टिव मेटल है वो बॉटम में आता है. तो यहाँ पर दिया गया है ये. सो पोटेशियम इज़ द मोस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल, सो इट इज़ प्लेस्ड एट द टॉप. Then sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, then tin, then lead, then copper, mercury, silver and gold. Hydrogen is also placed in this. So though hydrogen is not a metal, but even then it has been placed in the reactivity series of metals. हाइड्रोजन जो कि नॉन मेटल है, लेकिन ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज ऑफ मेटल्स में रखा जाता है बिकॉज this is due to the fact that like metals, hydrogen also loses electrons and forms positive ions, because जो हाइड्रोजन है ये भी लूज करता है इलेक्ट्रॉन और बनाता है पॉजिटिव आयन्स. इसको भी रखते हैं हम इस रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में हाइड्रोजन. सो पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, अल्युमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, टिन एंड लेड, so these metals are more reactive than hydrogen. Now copper, mercury, silver and gold, these metals are less reactive than hydrogen. Then why some metals are more reactive and others are less reactive? Now, what is the reason that some metals are more reactive and others are less reactive? As we have seen that some metals are more reactive and others are less reactive. When metals react, they lose electrons to form positive ions. जब मेटल्स रिएक्ट करते हैं सो दे लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, वो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करते हैं, पॉजिटिव आयन्स बनाते हैं. नाउ इफ अ मेटल एटम कैन लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स easily to form positive ions, it will react rapidly with other substances and hence it will be a reactive metal. जो मेटल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज करता है easily, वो पॉजिटिव आयन्स बनाता है, तो उसका मतलब है वो मोस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल है. On the other hand, if a metal atom loses electrons less readily, it will react slowly with other substances. Such a metal will be less reactive. जो electrons lose करता है slowly वो less reactive metal है. For example, sodium atom lose electrons readily to form sodium ions, due to which sodium metal is very reactive. On the other hand, iron atoms lose electrons less readily to form positive ions. So iron metal is less reactive. जो metal lose करता है electrons less readily वो less reactive है, लेकिन जो easily electrons lose करता है वो more reactive है. So कौन से metals है जो हाइड्रोजन से ज़्यादा reactive है? The metals which are more reactive than hydrogen, हाइड्रोजन से ज़्यादा reactive, वो है पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, अल्युमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, टिन एंड लेड. दूसरी तरफ से वो मेटल्स जो हाइड्रोजन से लेस रिएक्टिव है उनमें आता है कॉपर, मर्करी, सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड. The more reactive metals can displace hydrogen from its compounds like water and acids to form hydrogen gas. The less reactive metals cannot displace hydrogen from its compounds like water and acids to form hydrogen gas. So, if a metal is above hydrogen in the activity series, then it will displace hydrogen from water or acids. That is, it will react with water and acids to produce hydrogen gas. On the other hand, if a metal is below hydrogen in the activity series, then it will not displace hydrogen from water and acids. That is, it will not react with water and acids to produce hydrogen gas. So this is about the activity series of metals.